guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ashneet Kaur and today I am going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to reuse wrong purchases from makeup stores. You know, it has happened so many times where, you purchase something online, then once it comes, you try it on and you realize that, okay, this is not my color. You can't even return it because you have opened it already, right? Even at times when you are buying something from the store and you come home and you realize that it's a wrong shade, it burns, it just pinches to the next level. I'm gonna give you some amazing tips on how to reuse these products. One more thing I'd like to tell you, with these retail stores, it has happened with me. I'm sure it must have happened with you also, where you like a particular product, it's matching your skin tone, but once you return home, it's not the right product. Supposing you've chosen a product and they don't have it in stock, they'll give you a lighter or a darker shade because they need to show their sales and they get a commission out of it. So you end up bringing the wrong product. Trust me, ये सब जो होते हैं, okay? And I have started to become so mindful about it nowadays that I check the product which I like, and while purchasing, I check the name while even taking it back home so that there's no mix-up. I'm going to stop rambling now and I'm going to get right into the main masala. So I'm going to start off with foundation. I'm going to show you with the Maybelline foundation. This one is a 220 and I'm going to show you how to get it a tone lighter. I've taken some out on the back of my hand and I'm going to mix it with moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer which is suitable to your skin type. I'll be using a very general, a very basic moisturizer. This one is from Olay. So I'm just going to take some, I'm going to scoop out some from the back of my brush. You need to be really mindful about this. Start with a little bit. So I'm just going to take some and I'm going to mix it in this moisturizer. So when you apply moisturizer to your foundation, the undertone of the foundation also remains the same and you get a tone lighter to your skin tone. There is one more catch to this, that when you apply moisturizer, it does bring down the tone, but it brings down the coverage level also. Supposing if it's a full coverage foundation, it will bring it down a notch. This one is the actual foundation and this one is the one with the moisturizer, and it's brought a tone lighter to it, and the coverage has also become little sheer. Another trick I can show you is with a lighter shade of a concealer, but then again the undertone needs to be the same. Supposing I'm using a foundation with a yellow undertone, I cannot mix it with a pink undertone concealer. I need to mix it with a yellow undertone concealer. So that's when it will bring the shade down lighter. If you mix the undertones, you will end up getting a very probably a neutral color which will not match your skin tone at all. Next, I'm going to talk about nude lipsticks. I had bought these 4 Huda minis from whatever, Sephora and stuff, and one or two of these shades, they are so pale, they don't even go with my lips. I'm going to show it to you, and it just burns my heart that these lipsticks have gone to waste. I think Wifey was the one which was bad for me. So I'm going to, I need to wipe this off. I will just show you quickly how this looks. Can you see this? How bland it looks? It looks like I have no freaking lips, right? If you also have purchased something like this and you would really like to use it, I'm going to show you a tip how to make this work. So what you need to do is grab a lip liner which is a little bit darker and has the same undertone of the nude lipstick you want to use. And just quickly line your lips with that. Line your lips as well as fill it in. I'm going to use the same nude lipstick to show you how it looks. Can you see what a world of a difference this makes? I'm just gonna continue like this only. I am loving this look. If you have nudes like this, you have to try this hack. Trust me, oh god, this looks so gorgeous, and it just makes me feel so happy that I can reuse these products rather than just throwing them in the bin or passing them around. Oh god, loving it. Okay, moving on. I'm going to move on and talk about blushes now. Blushes and your bronzers. This is just an example. A brush like this will look so good on a fairer skin tone. It will look fresh. Even a medium skin tone can use it, but on a darker skin tone it will look really ashy. For those people, they can use blush on their eyelids for a wash of color, or they can use it as a transition color. In fact, even bronzers are a much better shade to do that, so that it gives you a perfect transition shade on the crease. Even in fact, if you're trying to make your lipstick matte, if you've got a creamy lipstick, if you're trying to make it matte, you can use this powder. For example, just put a tissue on top and take a powder brush. I found my brush. So just take some of the color, and if you're applying a lipstick with a brown undertone, then use your bronzer, put a tissue on top, and then just apply it on your lips to mattify it. In fact, even if you're using a pink undertone lipstick, just use your powder brush, take out some, apply the tissue on your lips, and just matte it down. So these are just really simple hacks which any one of you can use. Trust me, these hacks I have personally tried and tested. Not many of you all know, but I am a professional makeup artist. I have worked on ad shoots, I have worked with bridals, I have worked on photo shoots. So if in case you'd like to see my work, I'm going to link my Instagram handle below, so you can check that out. But these tips I have, these hacks I have legit tried them out, because especially on sets you don't get so much time. You need to be really proactive with products, because obviously there is a time limit and you cannot waste too much time. Any which ways, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you've liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I post videos every once a week, so if you guys don't want to miss out on that, make sure you subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys.